If you're looking for some work from home jobs without experience, I got something you probably need to look at. Hey, it's your boy Willie D. Jarnett here. In this video, I'm about to reveal to you some work from home jobs with little or no experience you can find in 2021. See, the work from home jobs became very popular during the COVID-19. Now it's time for you to get a work from home job so you don't have to deal with the next possible COVID-19 outbreak. This is something I always share in my videos. Hey guys, before we get into the training, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I have a system that will help you triple your email list in a matter of no time. Guys, take a look at the link that I have below, and if you can't remember, it's tripleyouremaillist.com. guys. Take a look at that link so you can triple your emails in your email box in a matter of no time. I'll see you in the training. The first site I would like to share with you is a site called Upwork, upwork.com. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and type in, and tell you the job you need to deal with: virtual assistants. All right. There are a lot of virtual assistant jobs that are out there. And what this does, it tells you, like, if you want to be a virtual assistant for someone, you go ahead and you put your name on the board, guys. This is what you want to do. You want to put your name on the list and tell them what kind of skills you have. Even though this video is talking about with no experience, you do at least have to have some kind of skill to put your name out there. So what it is, there are people that are out there that's petitioning for work, and what you do is you come in and start doing jobs, and once your ratings start to get high, you're capable of being able to get hired. So if you're not in the US, you need to filter it out. Like right now, it is located on US only, so you can filter it out. So what this is these are for other countries that are out there. So the Philippines, India, other places like that. So if you're watching this video and you're not from the United States, you have an opportunity out there. I just want to make sure we are clear here. This virtual assistant job is something that you're petitioning for. So, but you go to Upworks to advertise yourself as this person that has this skill. Okay. Job number 2 is Allegiance Transcription. Let me tell you about these jobs, guys. These are jobs that you can come in if you're a person that can transcribe pretty good. So let me tell you, this is where you need to go right here. Transcription jobs. Let's click here, and they change all the time. If you want to have a little bit more understanding about it, hey, watch this YouTube video here. All right, this transcription job is a legal transition. And let's just look at some of the things that they're asking for. Just look at essential job responsibility, QA assessments of new existing transition work product. And you want to come down here and look at it. Conduct Q&A assessment of new existing digital reporter work products. Prepare and deliver feedback on reviews. Conduct transcription performance coaching sessions through email, phones, and Zoom. So this is just making sure you understand all the stuff that you got to do. And this is some of the stuff that you need to have far as your suitable work environment, suitable work at home, high speed, exceptional attention to details. So these are the things that you're going to have to look at when it comes to these type of jobs. And they do not disclose the amount of money you make per hour, and you can get with them and find out about that if you concern in that area. And you can take a look at another job. Yeah, Allegiance been around since 1996, so you're talking about a really good platform, a job platform that you can come and work. And this one here is this job is Transcriptionist, and it tells you all the things that you have to do to be qualified for skill requirement, contract requirement. So you want to come in and take a look at reading all of these skills. So yeah. This is a really nice job if you want to do this. So this is just, you can't say there's no work there out there. There's work out here, guys. So yeah, look at here. Yeah. So just wanted to share with you Allegiance Transcription, and this is another job that you can do. Guys, I hope you are enjoying the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Guys, let's go ahead and get back going with the training. Job number 3 is Transcribe Me. Look, this is a very powerful platform where you can get a transcription job where people send their audio files in and you transcribe it into text. So this is what this company does. A lot of people don't have time to actually put their audio into text. So what they do, they hire a company and they send that file to that company, and they hire a person like you to transcribe it into text and send it back, and you get paid. So this is what, let's just take a look at some of the jobs that are out there and how you get started as a job. All right. Right here, you click job up at the top, and it kind of tells you what it does. It says the highest pay. We have an industry best rate with earnings starting at 15 to 22 per hour, audio per hour, the top monthly earning, 2,200. So you can come here and look at it. And they will kind of help you get started. They will help you with some training and things of that nature. So that's what you want to do. Let's just go ahead and look at the Launch Research Center. And this kind of tells you kind of all the things that you need to do to qualify in obtaining a job like this. Okay, this is application requirement and equipment that you need to have when it comes to that. English entrance exam, completing the job, payment, how they gonna pay you, specialty transcriptions. So yeah, you want to come in and take a look at these type of jobs, and to see if you qualify for this. But yeah, transcription work is really, really well. So if you're capable of being able to take an audio and transcribe it into text, that's their main deal. That's what they want. They want people who can take this and turn it into text. And you can really, really make a pretty good amount of change if you want looking for a remote job from the house. Okay. Our 4th and final site is Gango. And Gango is a professional translator site. So, but let me say, it's 2 methods that you can possibly get hired at. Let's just scroll down. I'm gonna show you 2 methods really, really quick. If you are not a translator, but you don't want to just actually be a translator, you want to be up in the kind of hierarchy of the job. Here you go, right here. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jobs that's available. That is quote and support analyst, senior device operation engineer, senior software engineer. So these are jobs that, probably managerial type jobs. So, but let's get to the jobs where you are to be an actual translator here. So let me just tell you why translate with us. And this is what it says. Flexible schedule. Just take a look at it. Our global platform is active 24/7, so you can set your own schedule and work whenever. So you got thousands of projects you can pick from right here. You got supportive feedback from a community, and they always want you to stay abreast of the latest technology. So, but yeah, if you are a translator and you can translate from different language and help other people to understand, this could be the perfect job for you guys. We can, this can really help out. So yeah, you want to take a look at that. But yeah, translated, it could be a powerful opportunity for you guys. So I hope all of these sites that I've shared with you have been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like this actual video and subscribe to this channel. And I'll get with you guys on the next one. Take care. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.